children, how are you all? I hope you all are safe and sound at home. Children, have you all enjoyed and revised that lesson which we have studied previously? Yes, you must complete your work. You should complete your work on given time. So, let's start our new lesson. Before starting the lesson, I would like to tell you about that lesson. This chapter is very interesting and inspiring. You know children, many children from all across the country every year are awarded for Bravery Award. These children do some really brave work, like helping others, saving people from fire, saving people from drowning in a river. But this is so risky. But these children do not think of their life because they are very helpful and kind. I know you all are also very helpful. So this lesson is about a brave girl named Bubbly. She saved 6 children from drowning in the river Ganga. So let's start our lesson. But before starting the lesson, I would like to tell you about Bravery Award. The National Bravery Award are a set of awards given annually to 25 Indian children below 16 years of age for meritorious acts of bravery against all odds. Awards are given by the Government of India and Indian Council for Child Welfare. The award was instituted in 1957. Here you can see the picture of the children, those who have got the Bravery Award. Now let's move to our lesson. Children, the name of the lesson is Brave Bubbly. Now I will read the lesson. You repeat after me. Bubbly is one of the 9 children of a poor man. She saved 6 children from drowning in the river Ganga. Bubbly saved 6 children from drowning in the river Ganga. What is the meaning of drowning? D-R-O-W-N-I-N-G. Drowning. Drowning means death underwater because you cannot breathe. She got the Bapu Gayadhani National Bravery Award on 25th January 2005 from the Prime Minister of India. For her bravery act, she got Bapu Gayadhani National Bravery Award on 25th January 2005 by the Prime Minister of India in New Delhi. So, this is her story. Now, next paragraph. Bubbly lives with her family in a small mud house on the banks of the Ganga. So, Bubbly lives with her family. She lives with her family in a small mud house. Mud house means kacha house, as we have learned in EVS, kacha house. So, Bubbly lives in a hut or mud house on the banks of the Ganga. Banks. What is the meaning of bank? Land near by a river. So here in Hindi we say na ghat, like that, banks. But Bubbly dreams of going to school, but she cannot. Oh, so poor girl. She wanted to go to school, but she cannot. Why? Because her family has no money for school fee. Because his father was very poor. He had no money to pay school fee. However, she has faith in hard work and in God. So pretty. She believes in hard work and in God also. She is always smiling and helpful. She is very good girl. She always helps others and always smiles. She always helps her mother with work in the house. As you all help your mother, Bubbly also helps her mother in her household work. In the evening, she goes to watch the sunset over the Ganga. As we all love to watch sunset, sunrise, she also loves to watch sunset on the river Ganga. She loves to see the twinkling stars and the changing shape of the moon. Like we all love to see twinkling stars in the sky. She also loves to see twinkling stars and changing shape of moon in the sky. 30th June 2004. This date changed Bubbly's life forever. She was trying to finish her work quickly before sunset. She was trying to finish her work quickly before sunset. From time to time, she would laugh at the funny actions of the 6 young children playing nearby. As I have told you before, she loves to watch sunset. On that day, she was trying to finish her work fast. And you know, she also enjoyed watching them. Sometimes they chased each other, shouting and screaming. As you all, during playing time, you are chasing your friends and screaming. So these children also doing same. They were chasing each other and screaming. Screaming means shouting. Sometimes they ran around a wooden vegetable cart with wheels. One vegetable cart was also kept there and it had also wheels. So they running around the vegetable cart also. When they got tired of chasing each other, they climbed onto the cart and started jumping and dancing on it. When they got tired, they jumped onto the cart and on the cart they started jumping and dancing. The cart was standing on a sandy slope. Sandy means full of sand and slope like this. It was kept like that. The jumping and dancing of the children on the cart rocked it dangerously. Children were dancing and jumping on the cart and the cart rocked it dangerously. The cart starting rolling on the slope. As I have told you, the cart was kept on a slope. It started rolling. The cart with 6 children still on it started rolling down the slope towards the river. The cart started rolling down towards the river with the 6 children. The cart fell into the water with a loud thud. Then it fell into the water with a loud sound. Thud means a loud sound. The children started screaming with fear. Children started shouting with fear. Why? Because they don't know how to swim. They did not know how to swim. Bubbly heard their screams and raced to the spot. As I have told you before, Bubbly was there and she was watching how the children were playing. So she ran towards the spot. Many grown-up people quickly gathered on the bank of the river, but no one tried to save the drowning children. Many other people were also standing there, but no one jumped into the water to save the children. What happened? Let's see in the next paragraph. As you can see in the picture, children were drowning. They are shouting. It was Bubbly who jumped into the river and brought 2 children back safely to the bank. This incident happened in the year 2004. That time Bubbly was a small girl. So at once she saved only 2 children. Then she jumped into the water again and saved 2 more children. second time and she saved 2 more children. As she got ready to jump into the river a third time, her brother came running to help her. When she was ready to jump third time into the water, her brother also came and they both jumped into the water and then they saved 2 more children. Like that she saved all 6 children from drowning in the river. The brave little girl had saved 6 children from death in the water. Like this way, she saved 6 children from drowning in the river Ganga. Suddenly, little Bubbly was a heroine. Suddenly, she became famous like an heroine. A newspaper reporter wrote about her good deed in his newspaper Amar Ujala. And he asked Bubbly's father to send her name for the National Bravery Award. And he suggested to his father to send her name for National Bravery Award. Bubbly got the National Bravery and many other awards too. Along with the National Bravery Award, she got many more awards also. Bubbly is still the same simple smiling girl. Till now, Bubbly is a simple and smiling helpful girl. She is happy that she could do something for others. She is happy she saved 6 children. She is a shining example of courage. She is a very good, shining example for all of us, for all of you also. Children, what did you learn from this lesson? Yes, we should be kind, humble and always ready to help others like Bubbly. Now here we will learn word meanings of this lesson. First, drowning. D-R-O-W-N-I-N-G. Drowning means dying underwater because you cannot breathe. Dying underwater because you cannot breathe. Second, banks. The side of a river and the land near it. B-A-N-K-S, banks. The side of a river and the land near it. Chased, C-H-A-S-E-D, chased, C-H-A-S-E-D, chased means ran after somebody, ran after somebody. Robbed, R-O-C-K-E-D, robbed, made it shake with great force, made it shake with great force. So, drowning, dying underwater because you cannot breathe. Banks, the side of a river and the land near it. Chased, ran after somebody. Rocked, made it shake with great force. Thud, T-H-U-D, thud means the sound made when a heavy object hits something else. The sound made when a heavy object hits something else. D, an action that is usually very good or very bad. Seventh is award. A-W-A-R-D, award. A prize for something. Like Bubbly got prize. Bubbly got award, National Bravery Award. Okay. So children, I hope you enjoyed and understood that lesson. Till then, bye bye.